All right, guys, so we're out in Ocean View and we've got the moon right over the water. Absolutely incredible. We've got some kind of, I don't know, it looks like a gravestone, some kind of monument. Flagship Sarah Constant. Interesting. So yeah, this is some kind of state park or city park, I guess, by Ocean View. So a couple things I want to talk about in this video. Nothing too crazy, but there are some things we could discuss. Obviously, the Trump indictment, the arraignment has come to pass, and it's entertaining, don't get me wrong, but I think this is a big kind of look over there, don't look over here situation. I mean, they don't want us focused on the layoffs that are coming. There's going to be more layoffs this year. They definitely don't want us focused on the inflation that continues to surge year after year. Despite the fact the rate is coming down a bit, inflation is still way above the Fed's target of 2% over time, whatever that means. And, you know, they want us paying attention to the Trump indictment. So I'm not falling for it. I mean, you know, I like Trump, but I'm not falling for this show. Like, the whole thing's it's a reality show. It's a game between, well, you guys know the parties involved. I don't want to get much deeper into it than that. I did think that it was interesting. This was reported by Jake Tapper, that the judge's daughter worked for the Biden-Harris campaign. You know, whether or not the current administration is officially going after the president, I mean, most, you know, the former president, most people believe that. But, you know, I think this is, it's just not that important, right? If it was that big of a deal, you think he would be walking away tonight and going back to Mar-a-Lago. So I've got more things to worry about than Trump's misdemeanors. I'm going to Greece on Friday, so I'm preparing for that. And I'll definitely get some footage and some pictures over there. I've been doing a lot of DoorDash and Uber Eats. I'm on the Uber Eats app now. I haven't vlogged that yet, but I am doing both. I think Uber Eats actually pays a little bit better, but DoorDash seems to be a little bit more consistent. And obviously, I've still been trading. The account is up. We got like $1,100 in there right now. It's up on the week, I should say. I was down on Friday, but I managed to come back yesterday and today. So, you know, that always feels good. But the reaction today, I mean, I didn't watch the close. I haven't looked at the market since I came out here today. But this morning, they were pulling back. SPY was pulling back. NASDAQ was pulling back. Even Amazon, my favorite stock to trade, was pulling back. So, is that a reaction to the Trump indictment? Could be. We also had the OPEC production. They're cutting production, I want to say, by 700,000 barrels a day. I could be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure that's what the number was. So expect higher gas prices. You know, it figures as soon as I start doing this delivery thing and I'm making a little bit of money, now I'm going to have to contend with higher gas prices. Don't pay attention to that, though. Don't pay attention to inflation in general. Don't pay attention to the layoffs. Don't pay attention to quote Mark Dice, the collapsing empire. He says we're collapsing financially, economically, spiritually, intellectually. Is that true? You guys let me know in the comment section down below. Also, well, I won't get into all that right now, but there's a few things I could comment on, but I won't. But do you guys think the empire is collapsing? You know, I'm just focused on other things. Again, my opinion on the indictment, it's a big sort of look here, don't look over there piece of propaganda. And yeah, I'm just going to be focused on making some money when I get back from Greece. So I got like 2 weeks on this pilgrimage. It's a pilgrimage. I mean, that's essentially what it is. We got 2 weeks in Greece, maybe like 2.5. So I probably won't be making a lot of videos until I get back, let's just say. But maybe if I have time, if I find a good connection or whatever, and it lets me upload then I definitely will. So I got to turn the apps back on, guys, and get driving. I don't want to keep you too long anyways. Just wanted to, you know, express some of my feelings about the indictment and the market reaction. I really don't think it's that big of a deal. To quote that guy Van Jones from CNN, I think it's a big nothing burger. But you guys comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. I always appreciate hearing back from you guys. Give the video a like. As always, until next time, I'll see you on the next one.